What are you doing, Jello? Stand up, stand up. Look. Ooh. Wow. Where's our car? Where's the car? That one. This is the snowstorm of 2010. Look at that. It's at least 2 feet of snow.
Daddy.
And still snowing. Look at our mailbox. It's almost gone. Hey, where are you?
I'm sleeping.
Your dollar not cold?
Not cold, ha? Nasa loob ba yung kanyang ano?
Come on, dig. Ay, yung mukha. Na ano na ng snow. No, don't with your hand.
Not your hand.
No, with your hand, Jara.
What are you doing, Jolo? I'm making a snowman?
Yeah?
Huh?
Yeah.
Look at the snow. Jolo.
No.
Look at the snow. Too high. Go to the other side.
I did it!
You did it?
Yeah. I'm taking you with that one. I'm taking you.
Careful.
Big ball.
You're making a big snowman?
Yeah.
Wow. Careful with that. It's gonna fall.
Did it!
Look at the snow now. You cannot see our mailbox. Where's our mailbox, Jolo?
Oh no!
It's gone.
There!
You can see it?
Yeah!
Wow.
Inside that big number!
Big snowman. Ah! Throwing snow to me. It's my turn. What? I'm gonna throw snow to you. Snowball. Snowball. Go inside. Go. Hey. Hey, go inside. We're outside now. Inside. Don't break that. You're gonna have an avalanche. Avalanche! Ah! Ooh. Wait, no. Not that. There. It's the small one there on the other side.
Mailbox! Oh no! I want mailbox! Daddy!
Mailbox? Where's the mailbox?
Huh.
Look at that. Oh, nice.
Where are you going? Going this one?
Yeah.
Really big!
Big. You want a sled? Jolo, look at our door.
Huh?
Where's the stairs? You're gonna dig the stairs.
Just a minute!
Why? You want that?
No!
That's too far.
Get it!
Huh?
Get it!
Get it for you.
Yeah!
Have you? Are you gonna make a snowman? Oh, look at the dog. Yeah, look at the dog.
Like Russell.
Yeah, the dog likes your home. Say bye-bye to dog. Look at the snow. It's more than a week. Careful, Jolo. Don't run. It's more than a week and we still have 5 feet of snow. 5 feet of snow, Jolo. Say 5 feet.
I can go now.
Look at that, they're all white.